Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
My wisdom warriors, wagwan, wagwan. Let me just get right into it here, man. Me not waste no time. Una know say Nigel Clarke mess up the budget. You see, other them come on a hype. Boy, ma give my golden red card. And you forget red card. Who get the red card now? My wisdom warrior, who get the red card now? It was Nigel Clarke. Because the way him did a hype. He did a hype and a be defendant. For Juliet illness, he couldn't even focus. Pure mistake they make. Me tell us that them a dunce bat. The whole of them. Yes, Nigel Clarke, and you get the red card. You get it. Yes, if I did Mark Golden make this a error, yeah? Hey, when them done slander the PNP, only God alone know. If I did PNP make this a mistake, yeah, my viewers and subscribers, I own not normal. I own not normal. Amendments to the budget to fix error weeks after it was passed, approved by Parliament. You hear that? Amendments to budget to fix error weeks. You understand? Weeks after Nigel Clarke in a House of Parliament a jump up, bring in red card and a go on with himself. And look on the big mistake where he make. Look on for him error. Look on for him error. My viewers and subscribers, let me read this. Amendments to the budget to fix an error notice weeks after it was initially passed were approved by Parliament on Tuesday. This after the members of Parliament were called to an emergency sitting of the lower house. They passed the amendments to the Appropriations Act 2024 so that it excludes the amounts related to statutory expenditure which were inadvertently included in the Act. In piloting the bill, Education Minister Favour Williams explained that the amendments are necessary as the Constitution stipulates that statutory expenditures are not to be voted on by the House of Representatives. Mistress Williams said the amendments to the Appropriations Act 2024 do not affect the heads of estimates. My viewers and subscribers, all right, me tell about these people. Remember, they come out with them budget and error the penny and them no notice till weeks after. Them no notice till weeks after. You understand me? Tell about these people. And if it was PNP, make that the error there. When them done, that for sure you say, when them fi focus on, they not focus on. When them fi focus on the one Nigel Clarke. And again, why them have to send out Favour Williams for do all of this here? Why they send out Favour Williams? Why did they send out Favour Williams? Why? Me not understand. Why they send out them? Them. Fi come deal with it. Where was Nigel Clarke? Where was he? Where was Nigel Clarke? Where were you? Where were you? Would I like to know something like this? And you should have come deal with this in the House of Parliament. It seems like you never in the country or something. Because only people were there out of the country. Out of the country. Would I do something like this here? You know, say you have something to deal with and you make somebody else. I get the lick down, I get the breeze and the wind. Just to lick them left, right, and center. You think it's easy? My wisdom warriors, if you notice in the House of Parliament with Juliet Owens, she did it. Anytime they come under fire and they know so they do something wrong, you know, see them. They not come in the House of Parliament. They left their next work colleague, forget the lick down. And that them do. And that anytime them do nothing wrong, Andrew Owens do it too. Nigel Clarke do it too. Anytime they know so them in the hot seat, you know, see them in the House of Parliament. You know, see them, they run away. You understand that them do. But me want when you run away now and then when you do things, you know, and you no come for one day, you know, we want you to go on and never come back in a House of Parliament again. Because you know, is a destruction upon the island. You know, is a destruction upon the island, a peer problem on the cause. Peer problem. Peer problem. Me not gonna stop talk about it. Look on all the water. You know, sell water to the Jamaican people. Look on that. uno a sell water to Jamaican people. Uno say Jamaica in a crisis. Remember say uno say Jamaica in a crisis, you know. That uno say. Yeah? All owner do to Jamaican people, I sell them water. Uno have sense, uno sensible. And then them a follow behind, uno. Then the labor right, them the green people, them a follow behind, uno. No, me know, so they have no damn sense. No, me really know. So they have no sense. You see, you and your ownless, you not fi win no general election. Me I tell you, you not fi winnie. You can't winnie. With all them a sitting here, no man, Jamaican people must have plan for you. They must have plan for you. Because all of the day you talk about, you're building up infrastructure, coming out and say, oh, sorry for the delay of nobody not care about the infrastructure them way you build up. Because it don't have nothing to do with Jamaican people. Nobody not care about what you do and your owness. It doesn't benefit the Jamaican people, so why should we care? We not care about the infrastructure, so stop coming out and talk, apologize. How you talk to? And must your people, and must your private sectors and your stakeholders them, and the Jamaican people. Because as far as me say, me not see I do nothing in the rural area. Look, pipeline. When you come out, you take a pipeline. When you take a pump, when you say pump one fix. Why you not fix the pipeline? Eh? Why you not do something constructive for once? Do something good. Make everybody can talk about. Me not talk about building up apartments. Me not talk about building up apartments. Because number one, you not build up affordable apartments for the Jamaican people. And me not talk about infrastructure. Because for them, infrastructure is a pure private sector thing them a deal with. Pure private sector infrastructure and draw build up. You understand me? You need to look into that. And anytime when you hear them come out and say, we have spent 100 million and we have not listen to them. You not listen to them because me tell you say, they come out all the time and say, we are going to spend 50 billion and when you look at 1 billion. You understand? It's just the hype. You don't make that fool on my viewers and subscribers.
There is no error in the budget. And as soon as it was discovered by the technical team, it was brought to the attention of the political directorate and the relevant steps immediately engaged to make these amendments come through to us today.
My wisdom warrior, you hear the one coming at Johnson She, but there was no error in the budget. On the hear her, and I call it transcription. On the hear me tell you say, they never take accountability. Anytime they do things, they never take accountability for what they've done. Never. They just come in at us a parliament and lie. The way how Nigel Clarke did a hype up, you know. All I give Mark Golding red card, you know. This is sitting here, them a mistake can never happen, you know. Since 1962, I know what 2024, all in the name of hype. All in the name of hype. And it go through how much parties and it still never pick up. My wisdom warrior, hear this.
Senator Scott Motley.
Mr. President, I rise to make a few remarks which I consider are pertinent. And I do understand why we are here and the necessity of our being here. But I don't think at the same time that we can just make it a trivial matter. The reason why we are here.
Whose mic is on? Somebody's mic is on.
Because the fact of that error being made, described by the minister as a transcription error, that this error has been made. It is indeed a deep honor. I mean, that you should be in the chair, acting as president, Senator Brem, is something that strikes me today.
Senator Motley, she not easy, you know, my viewers and subscribers. This lady, when I go here now, she not easy, she make me laugh. She wish it was permanent, she not easy. Hear more.
If it were to be made permanent, I would certainly not withhold my vote. But as you have the Constitution in your hand, you will be able to see that I think it is section 114. Don't quote me, I might be wrong.
116.
But the whole point of it is that the Constitution lays down, in particular, that these matters ought not to be present in the Appropriations Act. And the truth of it, Mr. President, is that this is the very first time that this has ever happened. And in the context of the way in which the Minister of Finance presented his budget, it is disturbing because it reflects very negatively on him. You see, it is a tone which has been adopted by him with the props. Somebody of his intellectual rigor resorts to paper around the Parliament, speaking very disparagingly about persons who have held positions in this Parliament as Minister of Finance and Leader of Opposition, Papa Tax and Master Mark, and the way in which he presents himself.
A true Mrs. Motley attack. Yes, Miss Motley, a true she attack my viewers and subscribers. The way on Nigel Clarke go on and I call Mark Golden Master Mark and a hype. A hype up himself and have papers round like a yo-yo. A him forget red card for this a big error where he make. A history him create. Hear more.
Red card. This is a red card. But I'm rising to speak because there has been a tendency in this Parliament, and indeed in the Senate, to give legislation less than what it deserves. And let me say it, this kind of scrutiny which is required in this, the upper house, is sometimes quite lacking.
Very, very, very much lacking. Very much lacking. Thank you, Senator. Hear more.
And it is in this context that I ask, how could a transcription error not be detected, having gone through so many various channels, standing finance, checking by the ministry, all of those? How would this error have remained undetected until after the bill was passed? Because we are all very sensitive to the importance of this bill. This is a people's budget.
And when anybody come out and say anything about them budget, then get vexed. You hear the way how Nigel Clarke did a behave? You hear the day how Nigel Clarke did a behave and I give Mark Golden red card? Him, Nigel Clarke, deserve the red card. You deserve the red card, Nigel Clarke. You deserve it right now because look what you do. You make a big error in the budget and the law pass. You understand? Everybody come out and vote for that the budget there. You get me? And then now, them go on like say now, them want the MP, them on the opposition side, should I look on the budget and see the error, fi tell them. No, if I was on the opposition side and see that error, me not tell you no. You think me I tell you no? Me not tell you no. After the way all Nigel Clarke come out, I will never help you no. If I was one of the MP. Seriously, my viewers and subscribers. Because me tell you with them now. They don't want to blame themselves. They always find something. You know, watch them. They always find somebody. If they don't get somebody, they always find a legislation to blame. Notice them, you know, or something to put the blame on. I saw these people still. Them are people that can't be leader. None of the JLP cannot be no leader. None of them, me I tell you no. No, sir. They're not credible. They're not credible because you see, I do way you see though. That's why you see. You see where how Nigel Clarke did a hype and a behave. And that's why that happened to him, you know. Into enough. Come out, let me tell you. he never really want to read no budget, you know. He want us come out and trace like a some dirty girl. And that Nigel Clarke intention was. Yes, you know, hearing come out and defend Juliet and go on the most way. But me not blame you. Because if I were you, I would do the same thing too. Because remember, said Juliet Wellness, remember she saved you from embarrassing you. Remember before local election when she should have read out the report and she delay it just because of your error again, Nigel Clarke. Just because of your big error where you make. You understand? This is the only reason why you come out and defend Juliet Owens. Everybody know that. Every single person do that. If nobody don't know that, I will not understand what I go on. My wisdom warriors. And the truth me I tell you no. The way all the man come out and a defend and a knock desk and a lick down him hand for Juliet Owens. And just because she saved him the embarrassment with the 400 million taxpayer money when you pan unoccupied building. That's why you see Nigel come out hype up himself and see he not even know what I'm doing at the budget. They need help. I help them a look. You understand? That's why they want Mark Golden to come out and tell them what he would do with film 3 million threshold. Mark Golden not tell it don't back them. No. Because if you tell them, they're going to take away your ideas and see if them own. You never help them. Don't tell them nothing. Make them go away. Go away. You never want to take accountability for nothing you want to do. Never. Come on, too. Never. Me say me like how the senator, you know, stand up and talk. Me like how Senator Motley stand up and actually talking. Yes, me like this about her. You understand? Because them a mistake I never make yet from 1962. 1962. Me tell us here, hey, that's why me like that man there, you know. Chaka chaka. A chaka chaka government them. Chaka chaka government. My viewers and subscribers, you know what? Wanna tell me what you think, yeah, man? Storm up the comment section, like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.